Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, you got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, our CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a set of all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation, a rear view backup camera, an aluminum trim, hard keys for a media display, heated seats. Also, this one does come with the smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLA has 17,548 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.